video with my real random phone. Right over here.
Oh, dab, 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 dab,
That's
dab,
cool.
dab, 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 dab. It's actually not my intro, but
Hello, this is Monkey's my birthday.
hey guys, it's Coco Productions here, and welcome back to another video. I've actually not done a video on my channel for about a month, so yeah, yeah.
AKA Corey Hunter.
Coco Productions.
I'm going to give away your thing.
Don't you dare.
Okay, guys,
so
don't find this guy. Oh no.
He lives in Jeffreyland. You'll have to
No,
talk to my friend at school called Sean. He's like, my name's Jeff.
No, guys. Be honest, he actually comes from.
Scotland.
No, he comes from England. He does.
Yeah. And hopefully England win, but they've got put out, so they can't win. Hopefully Wales win then.
I know. Okay, so today.
Hopefully Wales win, you know.
Okay, we are going to be playing here and find the ball. Someone has to kick the ball in the garage or score it. I can trust you. And someone has to try and find it.
So the garage man, whoa. This might take ages. We got that on camera too, you nearly hit me. Right, so